Chanel 2023 holiday sets are here, and I've been making several orders. I am now some people's personal shopper, which makes it nice because I can experiment with buying from different places and just reporting back to you what my experience is. And luckily, people are just paying me back for the sets, and then some of them said I could have their charms, so which is nice because I don't have any charms for myself. Okay, so what this receipt says is there should be 3 skincare sets, then a charm. I think it's a double CC charm. So we'll see what we get. Like, everyone's story is a little different. Something you're not getting at the retail stores is this thicker band. I'm only seeing it on Chanel.com orders. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I love that thick band. It is kind of like glued to the box, so there's like this adhesive on the... Okay, you can take it off. There is some adhesive on the back, so if you want to keep the box intact, you just need to be kind of careful back there. Or you could just leave the ribbon on. We're first going to see if the charm is in this little one here. No charm to be seen in the little one. All 3 of these are the same set because I just only had these in stock through a link that I found, but this is the Start Fresh, so it's that skincare set. I haven't personally tried it, but a few people told me they wanted that. So all of these are going to be Start Fresh sets. So no charm in here. And this is the standard packaging. At checkout, you can either choose to have the drawstring bag or the standard. I'm going to open up this larger box. I'll show you the comparison between this one that only holds 1 and this one that holds 2. There's the size difference. This one has a black bottom versus that one has a white. I'm going to try to put these back together. Okay, so we have, I assume the charm would be in here. Lash primer, good stuff. The lift, and I don't think I feel, nope, there's no charm. I think I have to call customer service. Good news is I found my Chanel charm. It was actually in the crinkle paper of the smaller box. It was not in the black pouch with the samples. And I went to go pick up the crinkle paper to go recycle it, and it just fell out. So if you also had an order of 3 sets and can't find yours, you might want to check the crinkle paper. Now I don't have to contact customer service.